Every month, our leadership asks one thing: can we trust our data? With MatchX Monthly SLA Reports, my team can finally answer with confidence. In one view, we see how our pipelines performed ingestion SLAs, how strong our data quality and profiling scores are, and how well our rule library and cleaning routines fixed issues automatically. We also track matching SLAs, how accurately records were linked across systems, and which exceptions were reviewed. Instead of drowning in raw logs, we walk into the meeting with a clear visual SLA report, and leadership walks out knowing every decision is backed by reliable, audited data from MatchX last month. It processed over 12 million records with 99.7% on-time ingestion. Data quality improved to a 97 score. MatchX allows you to download reports easily. Unlock reliable, audited data every month. Get started with MatchX today.